So, Carl, I wanted to make sure that we could get started with using this spreadsheet, making a little movie of this for you. I'm on the October tab. This is our annual summary, nothing to do here. It's all calculations based on these other tabs. What you need to do is simply put in your um, invoices. I'm assuming everything in gray here is colones, and then it calculates based on the rate of exchange that we choose for the month, calculates to dollars, and then it sums up how much we owe you. And then down here, I show where I have made payments, and then that's the total sum. And this is where we've either overpaid or underpaid you on a monthly basis. So, what we're missing, of course, are invoices. So let's say, and I'm just making something up here, you have a 32,000 cologne invoice, you have a 56,000 cologne invoice, so and so forth. So you get a couple of invoices for trash removal, and you just put it in colones. So you don't have to calculate, you don't have to get out your calculator, you don't have to write on your receipts. If you do some repairs and maintenance, you go to the hardware store and you spend 90,000 colones, 153 bucks, you 67,000 colones, $268. Now we're summing this up so that we can come up with what we owe you. So basically, I'm assuming that everything you do is in colones. So here's Sky TV. I think the bill that I saw from you was right around this amount of money, so I'm assuming that must be the bill. Now, if it's in dollars, we can change these rows here, can change to dollars, and we don't have to worry about the conversion. But trash removal, repairs, landscaping, pool, fumigation, I think most everything you pay in colones. So it's really difficult to look at your receipts. You write all over them and track that. What I'd much rather have you do is just, and it's going to save you a ton of time, just put in the colones, and then it's going to auto-calculate, and we can, at the end of a month, go, this is what we owe you. Obviously, this is in dollars. If you have bank charges that are coming to you that we need to reimburse you for, those are in dollars. That's everything in white's in dollars. Not sure what's happening. Doesn't sound like the HOA wants to pay you service charges, but these were some that we had been billed out prior. I have filled out all of the electric bills for all of the common area meters. These are the 3 common area meters. This is unit 1, it's its meter number or contract number. That's the colones. So I'll tell you what I do is I just basically go to my, see, where am I at? Treasurer, I got my electric bills, and there should be an electric bill here that we just got. I think it's this one. Let's just assume it's this one. This is from May. Okay. So if I was looking at this bill, I would make this a little bigger, okay, on my screen. I would just grab this total, 49,000, and notice I can double click that, or I can actually click and drag across that, and I can copy it. And then I could come right on over here, and let me see, what bill is that? This is contract 91919. So this is for May, 49,842. So if I came here and jumped over to May, because I've already done this, there's your 49,843. So basically, you can just open up this bill from your email, and you can go through them and copy them. And notice if I just copy this one, I highlight it, copy, come over here and click here and paste. Okay, so 2188.80, that is what we saw right there, 2188.80. I just pasted it in. So really, it's going to be a lot quicker for you to calculate. So I put all those in for the month of May, and so that's already done. And according to a rate of exchange that I see when I go to my Banco en Linea, It's 586 today, so I'm looking at that going, okay, 586. Those should be what you get billed. If it's different, all you need to do is adjust this. So you're going to do that month by month, October, November. I've got all the electrical in. I've got what we owe, HOA, your management fees. What I don't have is Sky TV, trash removal, and so forth. When we get up here to April, I put in the payments that you had made to Lester. If we have more payments to Lester, what I don't have on this line item is those receipts you gave us for capital projects. So when we pull all that together, and of course, June, July, August, September, they're all blank, they're empty. What we're looking for is filling out from October to May, putting in all the receipts, and then what we should see when we come back to our summary is this is what we've paid you, this is what we owe you. Right now, that's way out of balance. We paid you way too much money, but that's only because we don't have receipts for October, November, December, January, February, March, April, or May. So I'm hoping this makes sense to you. It's really quite simple. What I'd like to be able to do is find a time when you're not distracted with other things and we can focus for an hour or two. You can run through this, practice, make sure you understand, and then I'd still probably want to come up with a system for you to scan receipts, but it could be as easy as you laying them all together in a pile, taking a picture. I can zoom in on them. They won't be written all over and converting like you've been doing, and I can just kind of look, say you put in a receipt for repairs and maintenance for 90,000 colones. At some point I'm going to want to check and spot check these receipts. So I'm going to get rid of that data there because it was just made up. The rest of this is all ready, and just wanted to get this out to you because I think it's real important that we move forward with this.